Hello everyone, my name is Duru Judith. I'm a participant of the MMM Gather School and I'm here to talk about MMM Global Ideology, how it works, benefits and rules. What is MMM? MMM means Macroji Mondial Movement. MMM is a global financial mutual aid fund, a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is a unit of new society, brighter and better, a new world where there won't be money, where everything will be fair and honest, where there won't be slaves or owners, where everybody will work for their own pleasure and for the whole society, where good will defeat evil. In our society right now, the rich keeps getting richer. Those in the government, the bank, those who produces money, they keep getting wealthy, and that's not what MMM wants. MMM wants to take care of all that and create financial freedom for everybody. In MMM, there is no bigger or smaller person. Everyone is equal, and the main purpose of the society is mutual help. What is the MMM ideology? Building a new model of economic relations which will make the world more humane. Creation of a new financial system where one's winning will not mean the loss of another one. To make financial relations between people fair. Today you help and tomorrow you will be helped. Creating a platform where there will be no need to go to banks to borrow money to execute financial project. This is very important in the community. When you need help, all you need to do is ask for it, and there are members in the community who are there to make donations to you. So there'll be no point to go to the banks, waste months trying to get money for financial projects. There's financial freedom for everyone and the pleasure in doing what one truly loves. So MMM won't be free from all the bureaucracy in our modern day world. How does MMM work? The community operates on trust, truth, and discipline. Yes, those are the key words. In the community, all transactions, donations, dealing with each other is done based on truth, of fairness and honesty. We're transparent in everything we do. There is nothing to hide. In MMM community, you don't need to have collateral to be helped. Unlike the banking sector where you need to get a loan to be able to carry out projects, or in the community, all you have to do is just indicate that you need help and we'll remember to assist you in your time of need. Direct transfer of money between members paired together by the system dispatcher. No central account where all the system money flows to, i.e., where it can easily be stolen. This is a good one. So when a member needs money, the donation is paid directly to his account and vice versa. There's no central account. Everything in MMM community is done via participants' personal account. So there's no fear for loss of money or anything like that. You provide spare money to participants who need it and get rewarded for it and get help in return. In MMM, your benevolence is rewarded. Technically, the way it works, you declare the willingness to give help, clicking your PO and PH, after which your account will be rewarded with marbles. What do I mean by PO? The PO means the personal office. It's your personal office in the MM community. And when I say PH, I mean provide help to help a member by donating spare money. Then there's the GH, means get help. So in your time of need, you receive help from a member. Then the marbles, this is the internal currency of the system, which starts growing from the moment of offering contribution at the rate of 30%. So when you donate, you're rewarded with a 30% growth. Wow, that's nice. With the MMM community, there are a lot of benefits. One of them is MMM offers a mutual aid program offering 30% growth per month. So members for all donations. When I mean all, I don't mean just one. So for every time you make a donation, every time you bring out your spare money to assist a member in the community, you are rewarded with a 30% growth. Registration bonus. This is a one-time payment given to new members. This is to motivate them and is given only at the point of registration. So when you talk to your friends about MMM, they are encouraged, they are rewarded, they are motivated with the registration bonus for $50 to $499 donation. There's a $20 interest. There's a $50 interest for donations from $500 to $2,999, and then there's a $100 interest for donation more than $3,000. Referral bonus. You get 10% from all deposits of participants you invited. So what are you waiting for? Tell your friends, tell your family members, spread the good news. MMM is not just for a specific few or a selected few. Whenever you invite a member, from every donation your referral makes or gives, you get a 10% interest. Testimonial video and letter of happiness. There's a 10%, 5%, or 3% bonus of GH amount, which is given when a participant makes a video to testify on how his help is being rewarded. There is no point conceding the good news to yourself. Spread it to your community. Talk to them about it. Spread awareness for MMM, and with your testimony, and you'll be rewarded. MMM Extra. Tasks focused on the development of MMM are given, and when this task is accomplished by a participant, his Marlboro agrees with extra 0.3%. So, like I said, discipline. We're all very disciplined members in the community. The rules and regulation of MMM. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with just one account. Otherwise, all multiple accounts will permanently blocked. There's no room for greed in MMM community. But why would you want to be greedy when you can provide help as many times as you want with one account? And the penalty for trying to have multiple accounts is being permanently blocked, and I don't wish that for anyone. Members of the community must participate with only spare money. Don't donate money critical for you. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. In the MMM community, you try as much as possible not to edit your banking details, because there are a lot of hackers out there, and when you do that, it could be assumed that it's a hacker trying to manipulate your account. If a family member is your referral, he or she must not PH higher than yours. He or she can only PH higher through your personal office, or tell them to register through your guidance link. This is self-explanatory. If you referred your family member, he or she cannot donate higher than you have. It's either your family member registers under a different person, or he or she could even make large donations through your personal office or through your guidance link. When the system merges a participant to who he PH to, help must be provided within 48 hours or their penalty. A guideline is given for when donations are to be made, and such guidelines should be adhered to. Do not click on I refuse to make payments more than once a month. Do not fail to confirm payments for GH you have received. After you've gotten donation, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and confirm. Proof of payment transaction must be uploaded and verified, and do not upload fake proof of payment. In MMM, the keyword is truth. The keyword is being honest. Why would you want to upload a fake teller? That's not accepted in the community, and there are serious penalties for that. Always remember to write your letter of happiness within 3 days after you have GH. Members of the community should regularly PH and GH. It is unwise to wait until the amount available for withdrawal would be astronomically large and then request the entire amount at once, as MMM was not created for enrichment. No, MMM was not created for enrichment. MMM it was created for financial freedom, for members to to mutually help each other. So there's no point trying to make yourself so wealthy with the platform. Overview of MMM: creating a stable community which is highly protected from the destructive influence from outside and from the irrational behavior of the participants themselves. So what am I talking about here? The modern world now is filled with a lot of corrupt people, the bankers, the government officials, all financial institutions. So MMM was created to actually protect people, members, participants from all this. Financial freedom, that is the sole purpose of MMM. MMM is not a bank, not an online business, nor an investment. The most important thing is how people behave themselves, how they treat each other. If people are united, help each other, then they will be really free. They will be able to provide themselves with a decent standard of living without additional assistance from the state or banks. Mutual help, people helping each other. That is what MMM is all about. So when we help each other in truth, in trust, in fairness, in honesty, we will all be financially free. There will be no point going to the states or the banks for financial assistance. There will be no need for loans because members will be there to help each other out. Usually, people don't need a lot of money. They just need consciousness that they have it. Confidence in tomorrow's day is what everybody needs. And MMM gives this confidence. MMM gives a feeling of partnership, the feeling that you are not alone, the feeling of togetherness. At the most difficult moments, you will never be abandoned, but you will always be helped and supported. This is what MMM is all about. The feeling, the fact that you are not there alone. In your time of need, there's someone to fall back to. That's what MMM is all about. So together we can do this, and I encourage everybody reach out to your community, create awareness, and do more. Don't just be a participant. Strive to be a leader. Strive to be a guider, and preach the good news of MMM. This is a wonderful and amazing platform. Thank you very much.